Hey, Sean Nelson here, 168 Manufacturing. Wanted to just spend a few minutes on our status screen from our HMI. So this would be the screen that you first walk up to a machine and see. So really what we're showing on this screen, this is an example of one of our FS120 series systems. So the manifolds each support 24 CNCs each. In this demo system, we've got a single manifold. So if you had additional manifolds, they'd be listed across the top here, allowing you to click into those screens also. So in this example, what you're seeing is green buttons indicating autofilling is on and enabled. What you're seeing is blue lines indicating the kind of absolute level in the tank. So if the line was all the way over on the right-hand side of this gray bar, you would be 100% full and just about spilling on the floor. But what you typically see is a scenario where you've got these tick marks. So the lower tick mark is where we start filling. The upper tick mark, just a little bit to the right of it, is where we stop filling. The actual blue line is the real-time live data in the sump. So when we say plant at a glance, what we're talking about is you can look at the machines in your factory quickly, see that all their levels are being managed by the machine. And then in the case of this FS120, you also get a red indicator for sump temperature. So kind of a central look, a quick look at what the data is shown on the sump status screen. If you're ever able or ever disabling a piece of equipment, it would look like this number 15 or number 16 in this demonstration. So take a look at some of our other videos if you want to learn more about the FullShop HMI.